Okay, I'm on this job today to maintain this shovel before winter and also to beat out this sheepskin. Okay, I'm just gonna beat out this sheepskin. Okay, that's better. Less dust, more fluff. The job's done. Okay, I think that's ready for linseed oil. Okay, I'm just gonna take a grinder to the edge of this. Okay, that edge is cleaned up good enough. I'll just blast this with WD-40. Alright. Okay, before I finish up, I'm just gonna clean up the other end of the shovel here. Okay, there's a crack in this handle, and I'm just going to put some of this Gorilla Wood glue in there and tighten that crack up. Okay, once that dries, that should be fixed. Okay, I'm going to show Shugib on this bottom part of the shovel handle. Okay, that's all sealed up. Okay, it's been overnight. I've got that crack glued together. Now there's this little gap here. Okay, I'm just going to put this wood epoxy and fill up this gap. Okay, I'll let that cure and then sand it smooth. Before I finish that up, I'm just going to address this trailer hitch receiver. I'll put some ballistol on the pin and just clean up the receiver part and maybe grease it a little bit. I did spend a little more on a stainless steel ball. I'll put some ballistol on there. Drizzle a little bit more on the underside and on this area where it meets the plate of the hitch. Okay, that's all nice and lubricated. Okay, I'm going to try and sand that epoxy. Okay, that job's all done.